Hey, I'm back after a year. I'm really bad at making YouTube videos. I really hope this is recording and I really hope this is picking up audio. I have a new microphone and I really hope it's in focus. As you can tell, I don't do this often. But today I'm going to be doing a daily makeup routine. The last 3 videos I made were military related, so if you subscribe to me for military videos, I'm so sorry. I don't know what other videos to make. And if you commented something but I didn't reply, it's because I can't see who, or like when someone makes a comment. So and it's kind of too late to reply, and yeah, so I apologize for being a shitty YouTuber. But makeup routine, hello. My hair is a mess, my life is a mess in general. I keep looking over there because I really can't tell if it's recording. I'm gonna start off with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I use like a little pea-sized, I don't really know, sometimes more, sometimes less. And if you're wondering why the background is different, I moved. Let's start off with concealer. Honestly, it changes whether I put on foundation and concealer, if I just use concealer. We'll see how this turns out. I use 2 concealers. I use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Light 18 and the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Foundation Concealer in there's a little fuzzy in my nose. Cashmere 360. I used 2 because this I thought was my I can't talk. I used this and I got it because I thought it was gonna be like my perfect shade, but it kind of oxidizes, so I have to use like a lighter one. And this one's way too light for me right now, so I use the ColourPop in like the inner corner. And this is like my general like everywhere concealer, but I mix them like I said. The ColourPop is just to conceal in general, and the L'Oreal one is just to brighten. I mean, they're both really good concealers. That's what the concealer looks like. My neck looks really tan. I can't really tell, but you know, someone's probably gonna be like, your concealer, your face stuff doesn't match your face color. Yeah, it's fine. I'm gonna use the, what is this called? Coty Airspun powder that everyone uses. In color translucent. I did not, oh god. I used to hate the smell of this, but obviously because I used it so much, I just kind of got used to it. If I keep touching my hair and that annoys you, I'm so sorry. It annoys me too. So, fun fact, I bleached my hair not too long after my last video, and I regret it. It literally broke off my hair. Do you see this? My hair used to be down to like my waist, and that's a whole nother story. But yeah, the girl ruined my hair and it's still growing out. Let's just do eyebrows next. I keep putting this down and using that. Okay, so just gonna brush them out really quick. I recently started threading my own eyebrows. Like, I can thread my own mustache. That's weird. But I thread my own mustache and I tried my eyebrows. And after threading my eyebrows, I don't know why I was walking around with some bushy eyebrows. Changed my life. I don't trust anyone else to do my eyebrows because when I was in high school, I got my eyebrows done and the lady made them way too thin. And ever since then, I've had trust issues, and obviously not everyone's like that, but I'd rather just do my own eyebrows, and plus it saves me money. So like, my eyebrows aren't like a huge deal to me. I just kind of fill them in to give them shape. I feel like it's sparse spots, and my lips are really crusty right now, and I forgot to put on chapstick. That's great. I'm not getting up. So if you're wondering, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. Not the Brow Wiz, but the bigger one, the fatter one. I used to use the Brow Wiz, but personally it's too thin. Literally, that's the only reason why I stopped using it. It's just too thin. And then I use the brow powder also. Both shades are in medium brown. I don't like to really use the same like color as my eyebrow color because I feel like that'd be too dark, but that's just a personal what's it called, personal preference, I guess. As you can see, I have two microphones in the background. Got a vlog camera, and I also have this camera that I'm recording with, which is a dinosaur compared to like what everyone else has now. I still have the T3i and it works fine, so I'm gonna keep using it. Yeah, so I got those because I've been like super into like ASMR and like mukbangs, but I just don't know where to start. And I'll probably just upload on this channel. My hair looks so disgusting. Okay, well, we're just gonna go with it. After eyebrows, do eyeshadow, and I use two colors and that's it. So I use the Tarte palette. What is this called? This one, Clay Play palette. And the colors I use are these two. Yeah, depending on if my concealer looks set, which it doesn't really, so I'm just gonna go over it with some more eyeshadow. So I mix Sand and Solstice, and I just put it all over, so the darker colors blend in a little easier. I'm in no means a makeup artist, as you can tell, or a beauty guru. I just do what works for me. So I'm gonna go in with Dune and just literally all over my eyelid, not my eyebrow. So I'm gonna put some right down here. And then I use the Ego Tools. I don't know, it's like a travel size, or a travel kit, so it's dual-ended. I just use this thing because it's super good for this, I guess. I don't know. And then I take Smoke and I just kind of line my eye with it. Go back in a little bit more. Oh, okay, I think that's too much. I'm just gonna blend it in with the other side. This probably looks like crap, but it's okay. I've literally been doing this kind of makeup since, I want to say tech school, so like I'm not super fast at it, but I've gotten faster where like I can do this in like 15 minutes, but because I'm filming, it's gonna be 5 times as long. So I take the L'Oreal Super Slim Liquid Eyeliner in brown. I like brown because I think it's not as harsh. So not a super long wing. I just like to there we go. That's just my eyeliner. And then I take my eyelash curl. Oh, I take my eyelash curler. I can't speak. I'm really sorry. I take my eyelash curler. This is just the, I don't even know how much it is, like $1, $2 from e.l.f. Just curl it. I honestly don't know if it fits my eye shape or anything. I've been using, that's literally the one I've been using since. And then I take this L'Oreal Voluminous Million Lashes mascara and do the whole shebang. And then I take the Maybelline, the Falsies, and then just layer that on top of the L'Oreal one. That's pretty much it for eyes. And really all I have left is blush and highlighter and my lip color. So I use this brush, I don't know where, oh, Urban Studio. I got this at TK Maxx. Yes, I said TK Maxx because in England it's TK Maxx, not TJ Maxx. There's a reason for it, I just don't know. And then this Urban Decay blush, Afterglow in the color Fetish. I don't even know if they still have this. I literally bought it at Ulta like a really long time ago and it's probably expired, but Yeah, that's okay. That's probably why I break out. Oh, I just like it because it's a super like natural color. Oh, I don't know. And then take the Real Techniques setting brush and the Becca Moonstone highlighter. I don't even know if people still use this. I like it. And then I just put it on my cheekbones. On my nose because my nose is really flat. Put some right here, put some more right here, so I should... Oh god, it's got that everywhere. Right there. And all I have to do now is get my lip color and I'm done. Hello, it's your boy, I'm back. So for lip, I usually, it changes honestly every day, but most of the times I go for the Perry's Ink Velvet. I don't know what color this is because the tag fell off. I really like this. I bought it because a lot of people raved about it and it was expensive. I bought it off of Riley Rose. It's like, I don't think it's like $14 or something like that, but oh well. I don't put it everywhere. I put a little bit right here, a little bit right here, and right here. And some up here, some up here, and right here. And then I just spread it out with my finger. Put a little bit more on than I wanted. Alright, and then to end it, I just use the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. This is my favorite setting spray of all times. I tried the Milani Make It Dewy one. It's not as good as this. Well, those are really the only two setting sprays I've tried, but when I like something, I stick to it and I don't use anything else. I'm not one of those people that like has to try a bunch of different products and like all that. No, once I like something, I just stick with it and I'm done. So yeah, I'm just gonna spray this all over my face. Alright, and let that dry. Alright, so my setting spray is still drying, but for the most part it's done. That's all I do for my makeup. I make it sound like it's not a lot, but usually it takes me no more than 15 minutes to do it, but because I was filming, it took me like 5 times as long. I plan on making a lot more videos in the near future. I plan on doing ASMR, mukbang, lifestyle videos, travel videos. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe. If you want to, like, comment, leave video suggestions, but like I said, this channel is gonna be kind of messy in a way, but yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Subscribe, like, comment, do whatever you want, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.